Ever felt like your business, your livelihood, was trapped in a desktop? Like you were chained to a screen, missing out on the real action happening out in the field? The actual work, the face-to-face with clients, the on-the-spot problem-solving, the quick estimates that win you jobs. Imagine this: you're at a client's property, they ask for an extra service, a quick add-on. Do you fumble for a notepad? Promise to email them later? Or worse, tell them you'll have to get back to the office to check availability and pricing? In today's fast-paced world, those delays can cost you the job. Or picture this: your team is spread out, tackling multiple jobs, and you're trying to keep track of everyone's progress from a static screen. You're constantly calling, texting, trying to piece together the information, wasting valuable time and energy. Sounds frustrating, right? It's a common struggle for many service-based businesses. And that brings us to the core question we're tackling today. Does Jobber have a mobile app? Before we dive into that, let's quickly recap what Jobber is for those who might be new to it. Jobber is a powerful software designed specifically for home service businesses. Think of it as a central hub for managing your entire operation, from scheduling and dispatching to invoicing and payments. It's meant to streamline your workflow and help you run a more efficient and profitable business. Now, the ability to access and utilize these tools on the go is crucial. That's where the mobile app comes in. The reality is, in the service industry, you're not always at a desk. You're in the field, on the road, at client locations. So, having a mobile app isn't just a nice-to-have. It's a necessity. So, let's get straight to the point. Yes, Jobber absolutely has a mobile app. In fact, it's a robust and feature-rich app designed to empower you and your team to manage your business from anywhere. But simply saying it exists isn't enough. We need to explore what it does. How does it actually help you? First and foremost, the Jobber mobile app allows you to access your schedule on the go. You can see your appointments, job details, and client information right on your phone or tablet. This means you and your team can stay organized and informed, even when you're out in the field. Imagine you're driving to your next appointment. A quick glance at the app tells you the client's address, specific instructions, and any notes from previous visits. This eliminates the need for frantic phone calls or digging through paperwork. Secondly, the app enables you to create and send quotes and invoices from anywhere. Remember that scenario we painted earlier? The client asking for an add-on service? With the Jobber mobile app, you can create a quote on the spot, present it to the client, and even get their approval right then and there. No more delays, no more missed opportunities. And when the job is done, you can generate an invoice and collect payment immediately. This streamlines your cash flow and gets you paid faster. Thirdly, the Jobber mobile app facilitates efficient communication with your team. You can assign jobs, send messages, and track your team's progress in real time. This eliminates the need for constant phone calls and ensures that everyone is on the same page. For instance, if a job requires a specific skill set, you can quickly assign it to the team member best suited for the task. Or, if a team member encounters an issue on site, they can use the app to send a message and get immediate assistance. Fourthly, the app allows you to collect client signatures and photos. This is particularly useful for documenting completed work and protecting yourself from potential disputes. You can take before and after photos, capture client signatures on your phone or tablet, and store them directly in Jobber. This level of documentation provides a clear record of the work performed and ensures that everyone is in agreement. Fifthly, the Jobber mobile app integrates with your device's GPS, allowing you to track your team's location and optimize routes. This can help you improve efficiency and reduce travel time. Imagine being able to see where your team members are in real time. This allows you to quickly assign new jobs based on their location, minimizing travel time and maximizing productivity. Now, let's address a common concern: ease of use. Is the Jobber mobile app user-friendly? The answer is a resounding yes. Jobber has invested heavily in creating an intuitive and easy-to-navigate app. The interface is clean and straightforward, making it easy for you and your team to learn and use. The app is designed to be responsive and fast, even on older devices. This ensures that you can access the information you need quickly and efficiently. Furthermore, Jobber provides comprehensive support and training resources to help you get the most out of the mobile app. They offer tutorials, webinars, and a dedicated support team to answer your questions and resolve any issues. Let's talk about customization. You can customize the Jobber mobile app to fit your specific business needs. You can add your company logo, customize the look and feel of the app, and configure the settings to match your workflow. This level of customization allows you to create a seamless and professional experience for your team and your clients. Security is also a top priority. Jobber uses industry-leading security measures to protect your data. This includes encryption, secure servers, and regular security updates. You can rest assured that your business information is safe and secure. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: cost. The Jobber mobile app is included with your Jobber subscription. There are no additional fees or hidden costs. This makes it an incredibly valuable tool for managing your business. The app's features and benefits far outweigh the cost of the subscription. It can help you streamline your workflow, improve efficiency, and increase profitability. To sum it up, the Jobber mobile app is a game changer for service-based businesses. It allows you to manage your business from anywhere, stay organized, and provide a seamless experience for your clients. It empowers you and your team to be more productive, efficient, and profitable. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.